Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way on how you can save pictures from Pinterest to your phone. Please keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to open up your Pinterest app. As you can see here, all these different pictures are available. So what I'm going to do here is to select one and we're going to see how to download that. So let's select this picture. Now you can see that we have the option to save, but that's only going to save it into Pinterest. So if we hold it down, we can go and select the one in the middle. So send it, and that's going to send it either by WhatsApp, Facebook, or whatever it is that you're using. What we want to do is click on the top right hand corner. We can see the three dots, and then from there you can see we have the option to download image. By clicking on the download image is now saying image downloaded. Let's check if that's managed to get back out to my photo gallery. So go to your gallery, and now you can see that we have new saved the photo to our phone. Hope this helps. I'll catch you on the next one.